Peaches, a beloved fruit with origins in China dating back to 1000 BC, are known for their delicious taste and versatility. They thrive in various growing regions across the U.S. from April to October, best when picked at peak ripeness. To select ripe peaches, look for ones that feel heavy for their size and have a strong aroma. Peaches can be either clingstone or freestone, depending on whether the pit clings to the flesh. Peaches can be eaten fresh or used in recipes for smoothies, yogurt, and desserts. Proper storage is key. Keep them at room temperature to ripen and refrigerate them in a paper bag once they are ripe to extend freshness. Always rinse peaches before eating to remove dirt and pesticides, and enjoy them fresh, sliced, or incorporated into various dishes for added flavor and nutrition.